Welcome back to Living Dayton. Thanks so much for being here with us. Well, you might love your home, but taking care of it can be quite an undertaking. And if you're considering downsizing your house, it also can be quite a complex process.
Yeah, but don't worry, Downsize Allies is coming to the rescue, helping you find the perfect home. Denise is here. Boy, oh boy, I'm just having a struggle here today. We know you as a realtor.
Yeah.
How'd you decide to go this route, though, as well?
Honestly, time on the planet, years in the business, like over 3 decades. Like a lot of my clients from years ago started needing these services, as well as my peer group, their family, and so it just kind of evolved through a lot of the services that we've been doing for the general buying and selling public anyhow, and I've just kind of packaged it into a better, all-inclusive, premier customer service experience for people that are downsizing to a smaller house condo. And then we added recently, which is what's really exciting, we now do senior placement. So we can now take them to independent, assisted living, memory care, 55 and older communities.
So needed.
Yeah,
yes.
So needed.
It is.
Those are some incredible programs that you have. So I think also a lot of people trust you and trust your expertise. So what are the things that people really should be looking for if they're thinking, I don't know if I need to downsize? Why might somebody need to?
Yeah, there's some of the key factors are financial sometimes, like the upkeep of homes and older homes. The longer you live in it, the more it needs. It can also be lifestyle, like the kids are gone. Like we've helped several people where we just helped a lady the other day who she's roughly my age and all her kids are in college and she doesn't need a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a full finished basement.
Right.
So it could be lifestyle. They want more freedom. They want more money. It's just, there's a lot of different reasons to downsize.
Talk us through the steps. What all do you do?
Very similar. So if somebody is looking to downsize to one of those platforms, or smaller house, condo, independent living, we will go out, take a look at the home. We've been doing that forever, but I can then tell them realistically what it'll sell for, how long it'll take. And then we have several different programs that actually help them get to wherever they need to go quicker, right? So we do a guaranteed buy program where we can pay cash for a home in 2 weeks or less. We can do a guaranteed sale where they can try it on the market for a little while, and if it doesn't sell in a certain amount of days, then we'll buy it.
Wow,
we do the
awesome.
Traditional sale and many other programs.
Yeah,
that is
great.
Incredible. So, you talk about this a little bit on your Facebook page, but what could happen if somebody tries to wait out that downsizing process, thinking that it will be easier in the long run?
Yeah. What I've seen recently a lot is a lot of people prepare for retirement, but they don't prepare for one or the other spouse getting ill, right? And sometimes they've waited too long and then they have a house full of belongings and the kids don't want them, and like someone's trash is someone's treasure. Well, a lot of it's just trash these days, right? So it's very overwhelming for people deciding what to do with everything that they have, and also the home deteriorates. Like there's a lot of people that simply wait too long and then the value is starting to go down and they don't have the money, quite honestly, to put a whole new roof on or do a whole new remodel of a kitchen or a bathroom or what have you.
I think this is brilliant what you do, because I just went through this process. Both of my parents passed away, and it's my brother and I, and we're like, what do we do?
Yeah.
And having you to guide someone through that process is huge.
Yeah,
because it's a huge, confusing, stressful process.
It is.
Yeah.
Several years ago, like when I was 34, I lost my mother, and I had those same feelings, right? And so what do you do? So that's where we really thrive, is when people do have like a crisis, right?
Yeah.
And somebody passes away or somebody gets sick and has to move quickly. Like Downsize Allies can come in, handle the house and everything else.
Yeah, and you guys do such a great job of that. We've got all the information right there on your screen. If you're working through a situation like this, thank you so much for coming in and sharing this with us, Denise.
Thank you.